I'm going to review the Adelaine X Tarte. Tarte X Adelaine. And I'm gonna review this. I really wanted this palette, and I was gonna buy it myself, but I came back from vacation and a lovely man surprised me with it, and I've already like dabbled into it. So I've had it out for like 5 days now, but this is what she looks like. She has a very big mirror. These are the colors. These are eyeshadows. This is blush. This is highlight. And oh my god, I watched her swatch this highlight, and it is blonde. Like, oh, I cannot wait. It's so pretty. Hi, I forgot to explain this, but basically I just did my face makeup real quick. And then I'm gonna go into the eyeshadows and like the highlight and blush. But for primer, I just used my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and Benefit Pore Professional Primer and the Urban Decay Primer. And then foundation, I thought it'd be nice to go with my Tarte Tape Shape Foundation. And then for concealer, I also went with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Hello, the audio sucks in parts of this video, so I'm going to voice over some of it. Anyways, to set my eyelids, I just took the shade Adelaine and put that all over my lid. Can we talk about how cute this packaging is? And it smells delicious. Like, honestly, so good. And then in my crease, I'm gonna take contour and Mama Moore. This little brush, and take Beep Bop and put corn right in the crease. I'm gonna take this blending brush again and add more Boss Lady. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush and add some yellow. I saw this on YouTube where this one girl puts the highlight first, and I meant to do it, but I forgot. And I'm gonna take the shade Promise Me. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna take this brush again and add more Girl Support Girl. And I'm gonna cut my crease with my Revolution concealer. I want to add yellow right here, so I'm gonna take this little brush. So basically, I just added Girls Supporting Girls, which is the yellow shade, in the inner corner of my eye. And then I went back in with Boss Lady, which is that orange shade, and I just put that in my crease some more. And then I added Beautiful, Magical, Wonderful Day to the rest of my lid, and I added more Girls Supporting Girls, and then I just blended the two together so there wouldn't be a harsh line. These eyeshadows are so creamy and pigmented. I love the formula. This is my second palette from Tarte, I'm pretty sure, and it's just as good as like their other palette. Also, I then added Promise Ring to my inner corner. Going back to the face, I just put Promise Ring all over my nose, cheekbones, chin. And then I took the blush color and I put that on my cheeks, along with a Wet n Wild dual contouring thingy. That is it for the makeup portion, and now for my final thoughts on this palette. I think it is beautiful. The eyeshadows are gorgeous. The formula is great. I love how big the mirror is, and it's super clean, if that makes sense. Like, it's super, like, you can tell, like, it's a good quality mirror. And also, like, that little, like, eyeshadow cover slip thingy with the lemons, that's really cute. And, yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, and subscribe, because we are so close to 100, and I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers still. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cards and they all